How to test and check if mobile network is working normally on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Then in here, tap on the Samsung folder. Next, tap on Members. In Samsung Members, go down and tap on Diagnostics. In here, tap on Phone Diagnostics. Then scroll down and tap on Mobile Network. After that, tap on the Test button or Test Again button. Here, if your mobile network is working correctly, and it should show a normal status. Here, it also shows your network mode. At the moment, I have set it to 5G preferred. And that's it. At the moment, it is working fine. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.